This video is brought to you by Manscaped. Manscaped is one of the leading in men's grooming with products like the Lawnmower 4.0 and the Perfect Package. And what is the perfect thing to pair with your perfect package? Well, Manscaped's newest product, Manscaped Body Wash in their popular scent, Refined. Now, if you've watched my channel, you know I'm a huge fan of Manscaped and their products. And you folks using Manscaped products. That's why I'm proud to present their new Ultra Premium Refined Body Wash. And I'm not just saying those words, it's on the bottle. This body wash is the ultimate component to your grooming routine. Not only should you have a smooth surface, but it also, should smell good. The body wash is both vegan and has nourishing components, leaving you feel oh so fresh. And act quick, if you use my code JAYMESM, you save 20% off plus free shipping. Pair it with the Perfect Package. Holiday season is right around the corner, or should I say the holiday season. Don't hesitate. Get Manscaped today. Hi everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh my god, it is the spooky season, which means spooky background music. And go. Yes! Thank you, Tyler. Yes, I am so excited to begin October with a spooky episode. Yes, an extra spooky episode. And I saw some of you guys tag me on Twitter with these. If you were fans of this channel and followed what I did, you'd know that I did these wigs years ago. But I figured why not revisit them for people who are newer to the channel. We are doing the Walmart Premium Wigs. Yes, this one right here is the Premium Black. Now last year, or maybe a year before that, it's all in the past now. All these episodes kind of blur together in my mind at this point. I made a ponytail out of two blonde Premium Walmart wigs. Splicey if I have it. If not, just go and search it. The card's gonna be up there. Anyways, this was $9 for a premium wig, and I saw some people doing videos reacting to it, $10 for this, and I'm just like, yeah, it's a costume wig. What were you expecting? Anyway, I'm gonna show it for you guys because everyone's brand new here. So we are going to look at the Walmart Premium Wig. Don't mind Puff's hair that's on it. Okay. Nothing's changed. It's still a bit of a hassle to get in. Okay. I do remember that from the old video. Here we are. Walmart brand costume wig. And it has a bang on it. Was there a bang on the picture? I'm confusion. Hold on. Oh, there is a bang. Okay, I just thought it was a long wig, but no, it's either way. I'm going to try this on because that's just what we do on this channel. I'll be right back. Welcome back. I'm Barbara Hershey. Look at me. Oh my gosh. I actually don't look half bad in this black wig. You can't tell me anything otherwise. The hair quality is definitely costume hair. Oh my goodness. But I feel like Vanessa, the evil Ariel from The Little Mermaid, it's serving very much that right now. Get my hand, get through that. Okay, anyways. Yeah, it's definitely a party store wig. Let me just turn around for you and let you see the parting of the seas in the back. There you go. Oh Lord. Yeah, we got our hands full, and I have quite the idea planned for this wig. So we're gonna see if this wig can execute it. Either way, I'll be right back. Let's start styling her. Woo! Okay. Whew. Okay, I am back. Now the hair is all pinned down. Now we're gonna see if this wig is gonna cooperate with me. I'm gonna take a few more pins and just pin the nape of the head back because I have a crazy idea of what I want to do with this wig. I got a wild hair at my ass, and I think I'm going to turn this into the Bride of Frankenstein. Yes, that is what we're gonna do today. Now, yes, you heard that right, with costume wigs from Walmart. That's happening. Okay, now I have it all pinned down. This is what she's serving so far. She's got bangs, so we're gonna stick with those and keep those where they are because that's gonna come in handy later. And we're gonna start just pinning down a wig cage. That's right, a wig cage. Now, I made this and have put this in so many wigs at this point. This was in my bottle blonde hair recreation. Ugh, so many other ones I've used this for. It's gonna stick around like that. And I'm going to zip tie it to the wig. And if you want to see me zip tie hair in depth, look at that video, or I'll have it right here. Either way, there's gonna be a video, okay? Video time. All right, be right back. Quick cut. All right, I am back. It is time to start constructing this beehive. Yes. Oh boy. Okay, now this hair I'm not looking forward to using, but if we're careful with it, I know we can at least get something workable out of it. So I'm just gonna add a tease to it, and hopefully I can do enough to disguise the wig cage to where it won't be a problem. Okay, just do that and just start laying her out, and hopefully we have enough hair. I did buy extra wigs just in case, but you know, you never be too careful. But you know, the Bride of Frankenstein is a big old beehive, so we just gotta make sure it looks big and frightening. That's the goal here, you know? Have an easy goal. Okay, that. Okay, little by little sections. Now, this is one of those movies where, like, I know the references all over the place, and, like, it's been used in media so many times, like, cartoons have parodied it and stuff, but I have never seen it. But here I am making it. I just know the pictures from, like, those Universal monster books and stuff like that, and, like, magazines and everything always show this, but I've never seen the movie. Is it any good? Those of y'all who are horror movie buffs, is it good? Should I seek it out, or should I just skip it? I have seen the original Frankenstein, though. Trust and believe. Boris Karloff, girl, I saw that. That I live for. It's one of those things where, like, you stayed up till 4 in the morning during Halloween time on Turner Classic Movies, and they would show that, and Dracula, or Nosferatu. That one was spooky and really creepy. Bride of Frankenstein was always one that I never really stayed up for. Or Creature of the Black Lagoon, all those great old monster movies. And basically, yeah, y'all already know, I've done this before with the Bottle Blonde, where basically we're teasing the wig and just pushing it back. I've done this for the Bottle Blonde and the Marge Simpson. Both show you different ways, and this is probably the simplest method of doing it, where I'm just teasing it and pushing it back. Actually, now I have a nice little section here going. Let's combine it all together. And the really good thing about this plastic straw-like party store hair is that the second you start hitting it with chemical hairspray and stuff like that, like the second you start hitting it with hairspray, it starts to like adhere to itself really quickly. Especially if you use heat with it, girl, it will just burn in place. But you gotta be careful and use that from a distance, otherwise the hair will just flat out burn. Okay, now I'm going to tease the rest of this beehive up, and then we're gonna start doing some styling. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Now I piled and piled and piled these hairs on top of the head and pinned it, and that's how it should look, a big old beehive. Now, I'm going to style up the bangs quick, and then we gotta start adding the white wefts to the hair. Now, let me just give the bangs a little bit of a tease. And again, it's a costume wig, and Halloween's the one time of year where you really can cut corners when it comes to like wig maintenance. You don't have to do all the steps correctly because, again, girl, you're gonna wear this for like a night and get drunk in it. Who cares? Just as long as the wig is presentable for pictures, you're fine. Do not try, you know, move the earth for this. And especially since the Bride of Frankenstein is undead, she's made up of, like, you know, parts that are found. You can just use that as the backstory for your hair. If something's inconsistent, well, it's just what Dr. Frankenstein had to work with. My favorite was always Frankenhooker. She's my favorite. You want a date? Got any money? You want a date? Okay, here we are, here we are, here we are. Those actually fanned out a lot better than I thought they would. Check her out. Check it out. Check it out. Yes. Yeah. Hairspray. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm a little sad. On My Block just debuted on Netflix, and I'm scared to watch it because it's the last season. It's going to be over. And then I won't have any more On My Block left. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Now, the bangs are looking fairly presentable. Gotta trim some excess, y'all. There we are. Now, I got this white wig here. This one is Halloween long curly wig, adult size, ages 14 and up. And this is her. Look at the face. Just like her, I know. Oh my goodness. Now, I don't have to use much of this wig because it's so hard to open. Good Lord. Ow. Ow. I'm so finger cramp opening this. My God. Oh, I'm blinded. Oh, it's so bright. Okay, we're back. Here we go. We're going to cut some tracks off of this, and we are going to use that to overlay here to make the little like white stripes in the hair. And we're going to attach it in this area here where the bang is. Now, on the original Bride of Frankenstein, they basically ventilated, you know, white pieces and added it to the hair, the big wig she was wearing. And there's some pictures you can see it in the original wig where it is quite jarring the way it looks. It's always interesting to see what the props actually look like and the hair costume pieces in like real life, because after the camera and everything, it really does make all the difference. Like the lighting and the camera and all that stuff, it really all works together to make the illusion happen. That's one white stripe, like sion. You want to put her in the hair like yon, but she's a little long, so we're gonna cut her. So there. And what I'm going to do is give her a little bit of hairspray to get a nice workable weft until it gets to about the point where it's almost all going the same direction. And then we're going to take the section of hair here that we teased up and we're going to hide that in there to disguise the join. Bobby pins, bobby pins, bobby pins. I need more bobby pins. 1 second. Ugh. Ow, 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 ow. Digging in my pins, digging in my pins. Ow, 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 ow. Why did I put loose pins in here? Oh, okay, I'm back. All right. Bobby pins. Now oops, excuse me, I'm coming undone. I am going to take a bobby pin and pin that right down to the cap. And thankfully it's a costume wig, so just go right through it. There. And you can disguise it with the bang hair. And now, she should be in there enough to where we can play around with it. Comb. Little teasing comb. Tease it from the bottom and just add a little bit of friction in there. That way it stays together. Hairspray again. Now comes the fun part where we add it to the hair and play around with it. Now, I think the original wig is actually kind of ugly. I like the interpretations people have done over the years a lot better. It's definitely a lot more stylish. I'm gonna have my own fun with this. It's not a recreation after all. We're just having some fun right now for Halloween. It's the spooky season! So, and that is one side going up. So stupid, I love it. God. All right, where's the other white hair? All right, one more piece. And I think she's just about done. We just gotta clean up the bangs a little bit. Just brush them some. And not bad for $5, I gotta say. I am getting my money's worth with this. And I actually am not mad at the beehive either. I love me a beehive. I have been up for hours today. I've been up since 6 a.m. It is now 10:54 at night. It's been a long day. And I just got around to doing this video because I was out with Hexgen having drinky poos and fabric shopping, because you know I have to have a life outside of here too. And that Hexgen, she's a bad influence, that one. I should have been home hours ago doing this video. Although she did break her gym date to hang out with me and go get food and have drinks. So, I mean, if Hexgen's trainer is watching this, that was me. Tell him I want her to know it was me. Okay, let's put this in here. And I don't feel like I have to do this again. Like, I was pretty detailed on it. You honestly just hairspraying it and combing it until it's straight. And just make sure it's pinned in. And at the end of this, all you really have to do is just go through with your smoothing brush and smooth up the bangs and smooth up the beehive, and she's done. It's a Halloween wig, okay? Don't go too crazy with this, okay? You don't gotta do the most. It's Halloween. You're gonna get drunk in this anyway. Chances are you're gonna have one too many tequila shots and this thing is gonna be on the floor. So just go into this with that in mind, all right? Now I'm going to smooth this up off camera and I'll be right back with the final result. Welcome back. This is the final result. Oh my God. I'm the Bride of Frankenstein. I love it. This is a very simple, very quick, easy Halloween hairdo. Just, you know, get yourself a wig cage. They are available online, or use whatever resources are around you. A laundry basket. I don't know, girl. A waste basket, just put it on top of the head, pin it, and pile hair on top of it. I don't know. Now, I'd like to take a moment, a VENMO moment, where I thank everyone who's tipped me on VENMO. I would like to thank Nicole, Jocelyn, MJ, Sergio, Johanna, Jessica, Mitch, Luis, Maggie, and some cash apps from Saskia, Marlo, Logan, Sue, Raul, and Diana. Thank you all so much for the tips on Venmo and the cash apps. Now this was so much fun to do. As far as like Walmart premium wigs go, like I told you last time, like the wig hair is actually not so bad for $10. Like it was workable to make something costumey and fun out of it. Like I remember last year I made the ponytail out of it and I did the rooted hairline and everything. I kind of skipped that this year because I wanted to give you something that's like more easy and doable within a few minutes, you know, so here you are. It is a big old beehive hairstyle. You don't have to use a wig cage to do this. You can use batting or stuffing or anything you want. Just, you know, I had a wig cage on hand, so I wanted to use it. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye! It's spooky season! Bye. Now hit the outro! Click here and see me style a wig from Taobao. Or see me style Bob's iconic ugly wig. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll make a video of me just burping the alphabet. So click it.